Hello everyone and welcome back to Web Technologies Lessons. For those who don't know me, my name is Özlem Nushin Öztürk and I'm teaching JavaScript. Today we'll learn how to create a body mass index calculator using JavaScript. As you can see, we're back to Visual Studio Code and now let's start. Start with the document type HTML and create it as an HTML file. And I prefer to start with a title, BMI Calculator, and a heading, BMI Calculator in JavaScript. Don't forget to body and head types. And continue with form. As you all remember from the previous classes, this part is about the buttons and boxes that we're gonna fill. And form name BMI form and continue with your height, centimeter. In Turkey we use centimeter and kilograms, but if it's available as pounds and inches in your country, you can use it, but you need to change the formula, I guess. And input type, text, name, height, and size 10. This is the size for our boxes, and your weight, kilograms. Input type, text, name, weight, and size 10 again. It's the same, and don't forget to use the BRs to separate the lines. And input type button, we're going to create a button for the calculate. And on clicking will result with BMI calculator and brackets. This is the script part actually, and I'm going to show you how. Continue with your BMI and interpretation part, which says your BMI is, for example, 20.5, and this means you're healthy, etc. And the size is here 25 because this text will be longer than the others. And in the end, I put a reset button, but it's optional. You may choose not to put it. And close the form section. Then continue with the script part. This part is very important, as I mentioned. This is where we use JavaScript. There are functions, especially if and else functions. These are not only used for JavaScript but also for the other programming languages like Python. And function BMI calculator brackets and a curly bracket var weight equals document.bmi form.weight.value, and the same for the height. And if function, weight is greater than 0, height is greater than 0, final BMI will be, this is the formula, weight divided by height divided by 100 multiplied by height divided by 100. And then document.bmi form.bmi value, and this equals final BMI. And then the interpretation part, if your final BMI is less than 18, this means that you're underweight. And if it's greater than 18, did I say 15? No, I guess not. If it's greater than 18 and less than 25, that means you're healthy. And if your final BMI is greater than 25, that means you're overweight and maybe you can go on a diet. And there's an else part. This means that if the others are not available, then this will happen. And I'm put an alert says please fill in the boxes correctly. And let's see how it works. Let me run. First, I'm going to show you the alert. I don't put numbers in the boxes, and it says fill in the boxes. I said okay. Now I'm testing it. Calculate, and my BMI is 21.88, and this means I'm healthy. And now let's reset and choose another number. "34.6 is greater than 25, so you're underweight." And now let's choose another number. And it's 13, you're underweight. And that's it for today. I hope this was helpful for you all. And JavaScript is important. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And see you next week.